Hey guys, Jarek at Michelle's again today. Today I've pulled some more Curvy Girl wedding gowns because we've got some new ones in, and so we also got a new shipment of Sydney's closet dresses just recently. So I wanted to make sure that you guys knew that they were here and that we did get new ones in. So the first one that we got was this one. This is a consigned dress, but it is brand new. It is absolutely stunning. There's so many like intricate lace details. It's a V neckline. It does have buttons down the back here, and then it is a zipper back, and then this is kind of your see-through kind of illusion mesh right there. Long sleeves, does have detailing on the sleeves too. And then one really cool thing about this dress too is that this first layer obviously has lace on it, but so does the layer underneath. So the layer underneath has some layers of lace too. So then when you combine the two, it looks really cool and has a lot of different detailing on it. So there's a full of the back. It's absolutely stunning. It does have a little bit of a train on it. Like I said, it is brand new. It's a David's Bridal. It retailed for $1,258. It's a size 14, and we have it for $806. The next one that I pulled, I think we've shown you guys before, but we wanted to pull it again to show you guys. It's a satin bottom with some pickups, and then the bodice here does have thicker straps, and it does have like lace with some beading. And then the back of it does have a beaded or a buttoned back with this is see-through here on the shoulders, and then satin bottom once again. It does have a bustle and a train, and then this is the jacket that goes with it. So if you wanted, for a winter wedding, if you wanted that jacket on top too, that's what that looks like on top of it. Okay. This next one is a nice princess style. It is that big full tulle skirt, and then it is a lace bodice. And it does have some little sequins. You can see them kind of shining. It's a sweetheart neckline. It does have a corset back, so that helps a little bit with sizing. And it does have a train. It is also brand new. It's a size 16W. It's a David's Bridal, and we have it for $415, and it retailed for $799. So our number is $415, and theirs was $799. This next one, kind of similar in fashion to this first one that I showed you guys. It's got that bohemian look, but it's a little simpler and a little more, I would say, for like a beach wedding, or even if you just have a really simple wedding that you wanted something a little simpler to go with it. It's just really cool lace with like a nude underlay. It does have this little satin belt on it already sewn to it, but you could also add like a nicer, more glitzy belt if you want to add something to it to give it a little more something. There's the back of it, and it does have this illusion fat like look up here at the top, so like it is a little see-through right there up until this little line. It does have sleeves. It is also new. It's a size 16, and we have it for $140. So it's really, this would be really nice if maybe it's your second wedding and you want something a little simpler, but you still want white, and it's also a really good price point too. So even if it's your first, second, whatever it may be, this is a really good dress for a really good price. Right, this next one is one of our Sydney's closet dresses. I believe, let me see. We have this one in a size 18, and I'm pretty sure we have another like in a 20 or so. But we can also order these anywhere from a 14 to like a 40, 36, 40, something like that. And they only take about a week to come in. So this is just a really nice full ball gown, and it's just lace, and it does have sleeves. It does have a sweetheart neckline right there with some illusion lace in the front. It does have a train. And it's absolutely stunning. So if you haven't been on our Facebook or Instagram lately, go look, because we actually just shared the Jacinda. She actually wore this dress for her wedding, and so we shared a picture of her from her wedding. So if you want to see what it looks like on, she looks stunning. So go find her picture on our Facebook and our Instagram. We just posted it this week. Like I said, this one's a size 18, and if you're curious about pricing on any of the Sydney's Closet dresses, just send us a message and we can let you know what pricing is. So definitely just let us know if you want more information about those. So this is another Sydney's Closet. This one is their Michelle's Bridal brand. It is once again going with that kind of bohemian look. It has the very intricate different lace, and then it's got the illusion fabric up here with some more lace embellishment, and then it does have a buttons all the way down the back there. It does have a train. So aside from this neckline up here with the illusion, everything else has a nude underlay, but it's just really, really pretty, and it's got little clear sequins everywhere that kind of shine different shades, so it's really stunning. This one in particular is a size 22, but we can get it in other sizes also. So if you like this one and this isn't your size, we can also order it for you guys too. Another Signa's Closet that I pulled is this one. It's a nice basic white chiffon skirt, and then it does have lace with some beading on it. Once again, that illusion neckline that's really, really in. There's the back of it. It's really nice and simple. This one in particular is a size 20. But once again, we actually do have this one in a couple other sizes, I'm pretty sure, and we can actually order it too. And then this last one that I pulled is one of our go-tos. It is just really, really nice and simple, and it's got this really great beaded waistline right there. This really nice chiffon. It's super comfortable. It does have straps, so that's important to a lot of girls. It is a Milano. This one in particular is a size 34, but we can get this actual style anywhere from a 4 to a 40. So it's really a great dress, and like I said, it's pretty much the same in the sense that we can order it for you in any size that you could possibly need, and it takes about a week to get here. So those are just some dresses that I wanted to pull to show you guys today. So don't forget about our Sydney's Closet dresses that we can order for you in case if we don't have your size in stock right now. Let us know. We can totally help you out. And then we get dresses all the time, so definitely come in and see us. Stay looking at our Facebook and our Instagram, and stay looking at our website too, for all of the new stuff that we get in, because we try to post especially all of the really good stuff that we get in, and especially these kind of sizes. We want to make sure that you guys know that they're here, so make sure that you're keeping up with us, and we will see you next time. Bye.